Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Samsung Galaxy A55. Begin by opening Play Store on both to get this app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now to use it, set it up by tapping on the same options in both apps. Begin by hitting I agree and I acknowledge. Then click on Confirm, Continue, and Allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now or close it by hitting OK right away. Now click on your device's screens and select Send on Samsung device at the bottom left corner. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of A55. Also on Samsung smartphone, using all of those categories at the top, you can pick multiple files to send. I will go with only a couple just for example. Now hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and click on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. It's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order and tap on Receive button. If you prefer to scan this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide, close an ad, and allow camera access in this pop-up. Lastly, point your camera at the code and wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!